Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your VIVO X80 Pro. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's open it. From here we'll need to find the folder that contains our RAR file or a zip file, anything you have. So for me it's DCIM, camera, and here's the pictures.rar. Now let's open it by clicking on it. If it's protected by a password and encrypted at the same time, you'll need to give the password instantly. So now let's do this. From here, select each file that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything instantly, simply click on this arrow pointing up. From here, change any extraction options visible right here, and the most prominent one is to click on Browse and choose the destination, unless you want to pack it in the same folder. So for me, I want to make these files go to movies, like this. Click on OK. From here, you can change any of this as I mentioned, but there's no need. So let's click OK. And here's the files that was just unpacked. Now let's open movies again, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.